Getting to simple is not easy. The act of simplification is not easy. It's a lot easier to add complexity than it is to design a simplified solution that delivers the desired function. It requires intelligence and perseverance to reduce something complex and messy into something streamlined, prioritized, and simple. It's much easier to add another process, rule, or detail than it is to design something simple that strips elements away to reveal critical elements that can serve to solve the root cause of the problem, enhance focus, and or accelerate understanding and buy-in. Given the relative ease with which complexity takes hold, it incrementally creeps into business and propagate. It's like a vine that grows up around the tree before eventually strangling the life out of it. Simplifying work and keeping it simple takes strong desire and commitment from leadership. Leadership has to see the potential value of simplification and go after complexity with a blowtorch and a big axe. Without strong leadership commitment, any simplification effort will falter and fail, and complexity will take the throne. While getting to simple takes a lot of hard work and persistence, there are some core components or ways of getting to simple to help those in this important endeavor. Jan Maeda introduces 10 laws or critical elements of simplicity. Number 1. Reduce. The simplest way to achieve simplicity is through thoughtful reduction. Once you have the groupings or themes and you have a clear idea of what you're trying to achieve, the next intuitive step is to prioritize and reduce and remove those things that are not essential. This is a key step in simplicity but is also very challenging. To some people, it feels counterintuitive to remove detail, functionality, or options. It can feel that something so comprehensive is dumbed down. This is why not all see the value of simplicity. Number 2. Organize. Organization makes a system of many appear fewer. Once a clear understanding of strategic context has been established and key objectives are known, work can begin on organizing the chaos. A comprehensive picture of the current state, whether it be how work is done, content in a document, or possible features of a product, these all should be obtained. Number 3. Time. Savings in time feel like simplicity. Number 4. Learn. Knowledge makes everything simpler. Number 5. Difference. Simplicity and complexity need each other. Number 6. Context. What lies in the periphery of simplicity is definitely not peripheral. Number 7. Emotion. More emotion is better than less. Number 8. Trust. If you started the plan, you have to be consistent with your goal. But if you have to change it, still you need to be consistent. Number 9. Failure. Some things can never be made simple. Number 10. The one. Simplicity is about subtracting the obvious and adding the meaningful. The logic sounds like this. It is easier to leave your bed messy than to fix it. Much like it is easier to run around the streets than follow the police orders. Which leads to it is easier to go to hell than be good and go to heaven. Sabi ko nga kahapon, mas mahirap magpakabuti kaysa mapunta sa impyerno. One of the priests in the church said, but don't take my word for it, is that freedom comes with following the word of God. This concept almost summarizes all of the videos we're going to talk about. You need not to worry about the complications and details of your lives. With prayers, God will make it easier for you to follow Him. On the next video, we'll talk about using design thinking to simplify work.